If you understand English and have tried to speak it but still don't feel confident, then this video is for you. Hello, friends. I am Anjali. Welcome to our English podcast.
And I am Rahul. It's great to be here with you, Anjali.
Same here. I invited you because I thought you are the right person for this topic.
Oh, what's on your mind, Anjali?
Nothing much. I was just thinking about my unstructured day. It makes me feel busy and distracted the whole day.
Right? It's important to fix this. An unstructured day can become a bad habit also.
The rhythm of life, from morning alarms to late night scrolling.
We all have a pattern, right?
That's true. My day usually starts at 6:30. I wake up, stretch a little, and drink a glass of water. It helps me feel fresh.
That makes sense. I wake up around 7 a.m. The first thing I do is check my phone, which I know is not good habit.
I totally relate to that. It's so tempting. I mean, reels are so addictive, but I try to avoid my phone for the first 30 minutes. Instead, I take deep breaths and plan my day.
Oh, that's a good approach. Discipline really changes everything. I also make a small to-do list every morning. Just three important tasks. It keeps me focused.
Exactly. And after that, I have a light breakfast, something simple like toast or fruits, nothing heavy.
Same here. Because if I eat too much, I feel sleepy. And then my productivity goes down.
Afternoons are usually busy for me, work, meetings, or learning new skills. But I always take short breaks.
Breaks are important. Even a 5-minute walk helps you recharge. Sometimes we believe working non-stop leads to success. But in reality, balance is the real key.
That's a beautiful line, Rahul. Maintaining balance in every situation is the real secret of success. And in the evening, I like to unwind, maybe listen to music or talk to family.
Evenings are special for me too. I reflect on my day. I ask myself, what did I learn today? That question builds confidence.
Yes, and remember this line, everyone. Small daily habits create big future results.
So, Anjali, what happens when your routine breaks?
Oh, earlier I used to get really upset, but now I don't blame myself because I understand it's completely normal, right? We are not machines. I simply try to get back on track the next day.
That's such a great point. I think many of our listeners feel the same way. If they miss even one day of English practice, they feel like they have failed,
No, not at all. Consistency is like a marathon, not a 100-meter race. You don't have to be perfect every day.
right? Anyway, the most beautiful thing about this podcast?
Yeah, it helps you build confidence. You don't need difficult words or heavy grammar rules.
Absolutely. Speaking English requires confidence, and you need to build a connection with the language so you can think in English. Yeah. I also learned English speaking in this way.
Because when I feel emotions, English words come naturally.
Absolutely right. Friend, if today's conversation helped you a little bit too, please describe your daily routine in a few sentences. And if you want to improve your English through real life conversations, please like this video.
And must stay connect with us. Stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you all.